Hello and welcome to another INSYS tutorial. Today we show you how to install the icom data suite on your icom OS devices such as the MRX, MRO, ECR or SCR. In order to use the icom data suite, you are going to need a license file. If you don't have one, you can order a license or you can get a 30-day free trial. Even without a license, the application can be configured without limitation, but no features will be active. There are two ways you can install the icom data suite. First, we are going to use the setup wizard that automatically installs the icom data suite for us. Then we are going to install the container manually. Open a browser and log into your router with its IP address, username and password. Under Help, you find the wizards. Click on the Install icom data suite/container button. You have two options here. You can either automatically download the container from our servers, which is the easier method, but it requires internet connection on your router side, or you can manually upload it from your computer. For automatic download, select the Automatic Download from the Internet Radio button and your wish source. In most cases, our icom data suite update server. Now we upload the license key. Click on Execute Wizard. For manual upload, the container should already be downloaded from our official website. You find it under Support, Documentation and Downloads, under Application Software. Under Install Software Packet, select the Manual Upload Radio button. Click on the button and upload the container. Now we upload the license key. Click on Execute Wizard. The icom data suite obtained its own IP address and it is now accessible. Log in with the default username INSYS and password icom. You can also install the container without the help of the setup wizard. It is, however, required that the icom data suite packet and the license file are stored on your computer. Under Administration, you find the Up and Download menu. Click on the button and select the icom data suite packet. The container is imported and the script contained in the update packet takes care of the installation. Click on the button again and upload the license key. The script contained in the update packet assigns the license to the icom data suite. The icom data suite is now accessible under an automatically calculated IP address, which is the router's IP +9. Log in with the standard username INSYS and password icom. You can of course always change the settings of the icom data suite. Go to Administration, Containers in the router's web interface. Click on the pencil icon and change the IP address to your wished address. You can also decide on this page to which networks the icom data suite should be bridged to. Thank you for watching us.